back with another video. Today we're gonna do another cocktail. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my sunset margarita. I'm gonna show you everything I put inside. Let's get started. First, we're gonna start off with a cup of ice. And we're gonna add some tequila. You can add about 2 shots. I'm just gonna add the rest of this bottle that I have. Okay, we're gonna just blend this up until it's nice and smooth. So now that that's blended, we're going to add it to our cup. Now we're going to add a splash of orange juice, some sweet and sour mix, just a splash. We're also going to add triple sec. Give it a nice stir. Then we're going to add some rose grenadine, and this is going to give it the sunset effect. And there you have it, a sunset margarita. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content. And hit the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. And for more tasty recipes, hit the playlist at the end.